Yay, cookies are nice. Elsewhere, aboard Ultimate Supreme Executive Chairman.
Well, I guess Quark didn't eliminate them.
How observant of you.
Thank you, sir.
Now, if you were only so diligent in doing your own job.
Yes, sir.
Since our new planet is nearly finished, we need a plan to remove the world that is occupying our selected orbit. This time must be absolutely foolproof. Time is wasting.
And this is why Chairman Drek loses in the end, because he's got idiots like them. I want to see what this does.
Your scanners do not detect the hologuys on this planet.
Chickens! I can turn their asses into chickens! Hey, Kiev Kresnik! Where you been, girl? Seriously, I've been waiting for you forever. Yeah, Dingo's been here a while. I need to put the morph gun on one of my click selects. True, you're probably in a different time zone than all of us. Not my house, our house, what the fuck? See you, shoot. Or Dur or whatever you want to be called. I am turning things into chickens! And I like it. That was bullshit. How many of these guys did they have ready for me? I am turning everything into chickens! Fear my chicken gun! Who the fuck are you?
Was it pi over infinity?
Hey! You need help fixing that thing?
Actually, I'm trying to destroy it.
Why?
I was contracted to re-engineer my enlarging machine to create huge, heavily armed mechs.
So that's where those mechs came from.
Precisely. Had I known Drek was behind this, I never would have done it.
Is there anything we can do?
Well, if you'll volunteer to be enlarged, you may be able to stop those mechs long enough for me to sabotage this machine.
And then you will change me back?
I've never tried that, but in theory, yes.
Let's go... Giant Clank! Oh my dear God. I am your god. so subtle! I know, right?
Well done! Now just step into the machine and we'll see what happens.
Nice to have you back. Yes.
I've recalibrated the controls to allow only your specific circuit pattern.
Ah, perfect.
I don't know how to thank you too. Maybe this'll help.
Sweet!
New! From Gadgetron, the makers of weapons and other fine products, comes the Hollow Guys. With the Hollow Guys, you can fool robots into thinking you're one of them. Match your wits against other robots. Work on robotic assembly lines. Attend robot parties. The Hollow Guys. Available only at Gadgetron headquarters for a limited time. Not to be used for illegal purposes. They're only in sanctioned areas. You will not actually become a robot.
If I can get that thing, I'll be able to get past those robot guards.
Robots are not so easily fooled.
Ah, what's that?
What?
Go, go, Giant Clank! Go, go, Giant Clank! New! Hey, Krusty, it's not just new, it's 3 times the new! Excuse me. Chicken gun!
You'll need the Gadgetron hologuise control. Unfortunately, our scanners do not detect the hologuise on this one.
Krusnik, I'm thinking, are you actually going to have time to actually watch me play Abyss this time? Because I want to play Abyss, but you've always been gone. Play either Abyss or, the blessed the chicken gun.
I got some great bargains for you there.
What's a Visibomb do? Well, whatever it is, I'm buying it. Oh my God! I can fly my bombs! I can fly away! It's getting foggy!